Says one slow out, that's Batang Sampaloc. Pusong Bato running on the outside, running by the rail is El Nido Island all the time. Directors Astra rushing up Batang Sampaloc. And Pocket Money is the early trader. El Nido Island by the leg. On the outside is Pusong Bato. 3 lengths watching in 30s all the time. Pocket Money in fourth alongside Batang Sampaloc and Directors Astra now racing in last. Pusong Bato running on the outside. El Nido Island is running by the rail all the time in third. Batang Sampaloc, Pocket Money, and Directors Astra with Pusong Bato by Amalenga running by the rail is El Nido Island all the time in third. Batang Sampaloc, Pocket Money, Pusong Bato still the leader by Amalenga. El Nido Island all the time. Pocket Money, Batang Sampaloc, Pusong Bato still in front by about 2 lengths. El Nido Island all the time. Pocket Money, Batang Sampaloc as they come down at the last 150. Pusong Bato all the time. Pocket Money, Pusong Bato still the leader. Pocket Money on the outside second, but it's still Pusong Bato, Pocket Money, and finally Pusong Bato. Pocket Money all the time. El Nido Island. Then comes Batang Sampaloc, Directors Astra.
Program is brought to you by Liver Green. Liver mo, sagot mo! Yan po, bayang karelista. Tingnan po natin ang program pinakita ni numero 4, Pusong Bato sa distansya 1,300.